I'm going to show you how to use orthodontic wax to stay comfortable during your treatment. This is the wax that we gave you when you started your treatment. You can find more wax at your drugstore, Walmart, Target, etc. And common problems include if a little colored tie comes off. Sometimes that bracket is now a little bit more rough and can rub the inside of your lip or cheek. Take a little small piece of wax, soften it with your fingers, press it over the bracket. That will make that area a lot more smooth on the inside of your mouth. If this bracket breaks off the tooth and is now sliding along the wire, you can use wax in the same way to help stabilize the bracket to the tooth and prevent it from sliding if that bothers you. If you have a pokey wire in the back, sometimes we get pokey wires because the wire shifts or because we are closing spaces and so the wire gets longer out the back. You can use wax over the back of the bracket, and you can actually place it over the whole bracket. Those little hooks that are on the molar brackets are really good at helping to hold on to that wax. You can rinse with some cold water to help set the wax, and that'll help it to stay on there longer. And if you have sores on the inside of your mouth from any brackets that are rubbing or any hooks or things like that, rinse your mouth with some warm salt water. That can promote the healing of those little sores until you get used to the brackets.